And I have an update on that story we told you about the Wasco Animal Shelter the other day. It all started with this post saying that they were close to putting dogs to sleep. It said the ones listed as needing immediate help are truly out of time. This post got a lot of attention, circulated on social media, and then many of the dogs were actually adopted after it got circulated and was actually on our media outlets. We did a story on it, and they posted this following up saying, "I want to thank each and every one of you, our loyal supporters. With your dedication, these animals were adopted." But we're also learning that that original post was actually an over-exaggeration. City officials are saying that the situation wasn't as bad as that post made it seem. We're also learning this page was not created by the shelter itself or the city of Wasco, but it's run by the volunteers only that work at that shelter. So now after this post thanking everyone, they're continuing to post photos of all the dogs that were saved and were adopted. So again, all of these animals were adopted after that first post that was circulating on social media. So we're really glad to see the community came together and helped out.